Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you dey watch me from. My name na Comrade Lucky Orugbe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. I be human rights activist. I want to give my brothers and sisters update for Nigeria international passport matter. For the past 3 months now, for Nigeria international passport booklet, we don lead different protests to immigration offices. We don write to state controller. We don write to Controller General Immigration Service. For the past 3 months, when we dey agitate, they talk about Nigerian passport booklet, we from the human rights community, where they fight this fight, we don make a lot of progress. We don make a lot of progress. I dey here with my brother, my own very brother, wey be the Secretary General of ASA Agenda Movement, a graduate of Abrosali University, wey dey in charge of research for Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. Today, we don lead a lot of protests. And when we dey do this humanitarian service for the entire Nigerians home and abroad, wetin be our interest na to make sure say our brothers and our sisters no suffer because of Nigeria international passport booklet again. I go stand for house because they say who not dance for house, you know they dance for outside. My place na Edo State. The immigration office for Edo State, for Anambra, for Ikpobahi. If you go there and say you want to go do this international passport, they go tell you make you bring money. They go capture you. They go thumbprint you. The next story where you go to hear no booklet. No booklet for Edo State for immigration office, no booklet for Delta State immigration office, no booklet for River State immigration office, no booklet for Abia State, no booklet for Enugu State, no booklet for Anambra State, no booklet for Imo State, no booklet for Ebonyi State, no booklet for Southwest. So this matter come make us enter street because they lead protest. But today, federal government don come out say Nigerians make una no dey pay money again. Say if you go immigration office, no pay money to anybody. If you go Nigeria immigration office for Italy, no booklet. You go to Nigeria immigration office for Holland, no booklet. You go to Nigeria immigration office for France, no booklet. You go to Nigeria immigration office for London, for UK, they don't lock that one, so when the key, they don't open that office again. You go to immigration office for Canada, no booklet. You go to immigration office for America, no booklet. You go to immigration office for Australia, Nigeria immigration office, no booklet. You go to immigration office for South Africa, Nigeria immigration, no booklet. So this no booklet, don't make so many Nigerians stranded for diaspora and for house. And anybody who doesn't provide this Nigeria international passport, you know go fit get document for diaspora. So some of our brothers and sisters, their document don't die because Nigeria government, federal government, signature for Nigeria international passport for them. As we speak today now, so many Nigerians from diaspora don't lose their job, don't lose their residential permit, don't lose their working permit because federal government denied them their Nigerian international passport booklet. Our brothers and sisters, home and abroad, they stranded. Now we carry our waka, we say, we no go tire until federal government make statement. I'm Johnson. Yes. I would like to invite you so that our followers for this passport matter, whenever they expect updates since, but they hear what they happen for Nigeria. Muhammadu Buhari, senators, ministers, 36 state governor, una citizens dey stranded for diaspora who no get valid passport. How you wan take get working permit? How you wan take get resident permit? How you wan take get document? Even their children dey stranded. If you go some embassies, Nigeria embassy for example, for Italy, for Germany, to get this international passport from 400 euro to 500 euro, and we are still telling Nigerian officials inside those embassy, you can't turn Nigeria international passport to black market. Nigeria international passport is not for black market. Federal government don come out for Ghana. Una wey dey use the passport take dey do business. Una go hear wetin federal government talk just now. We no go rest until this Nigeria international passport dey circulate am for all Nigeria embassies all over the world, all Nigeria immigration for south, east and southwest. Because this passport booklet na only one side na e dey for Nigeria, northern Nigeria na you go for see am. Me no fit travel go Nasarawa or go Maiduguri or go Jos go do my international passport. Na e make me dey cry say the federal government do the needful. Mr. Ahmed Johnson, yes, you are welcome to the human rights community, and you know say our brothers and sisters when we dey even dey fight for self. Are you hearing me? And they pity for them. Why are they pity for them? This passport, what is it go take for federal government to do for their citizens? So for our brothers and sisters, why are they pity for them now? They say, so don't lose their job, so don't lose their resident permit, so don't lose their working permit. Before federal government come out with this resolution. What is the resolution? Go ahead with them. Make our brothers and sisters here.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending where you watch us from. My name is Comrade Ahmed Johnson, the Secretary General, Eastern General Movement, and at the same time, the Secretary General to that Union of Nigeria. Let me fairly refresh my mind so that I'm not going to forget where we come from. Some time ago, last month, now we involved on this passport issue where we discover say it don't cause problem for our brothers and sisters both home and abroad. When we start this thing, now we first do and talk. Later we come go street protest. Carry the street protest go our for Edo State here, carry go to Bayi office, where we go with the state controller, where they address us say they will do something about them. Then after that one, we know that we do this thing for over 20 days. So they do
20 days! Not 20 days! 20 days!
Media protest. Every day we're doing it. Along the line, now we got the hear things. That's our foremost. Then the Controller General Immigration come and say, he don't even know, say not in Nigeria that they do our passport.
He said not to say not in Nigeria that they do this passport to Controller General, Nigeria Immigration Service.
As we finish for that one, now another time, we never reach 2 days. Now the first way they do the passport come and say, that they hold am. Money wey they hold am, they put am for Koba River, e no go flow.
Una dey hear?
Say na billions upon billions they hold am. So if they no pay money, e no dey go against any booklet to Nigeria. Meanwhile, South no dey get booklet. South East no dey get. South West no dey get. knowledge northern Nigeria then they get this booklet. Now we continue to the extent say later na the interior minister for Nigeria Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá
come
contact he come tell us say no worry may we cool temper say they don bring passport processing unit centers for Abuja where you fit do this passport for 72 hours then after that time they go extend this thing go all the 74 local governments say na 74 local governments they go launch this passport express centers where they go dey do am till today no one passport come out for that
Ogugu
yeye everything dey we come continue finally na the house of rep come say no they give immigration of service 72 hours to make this passport start for everywhere 72 hours don elapse since over 3 weeks no passport just of recent again now Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá come out again the interior minister na he come issue press statement o he come direct the Nigerian immigration service say make dem make sure passport brekete for everywhere make dem clear everybody wey don apply since 2019 till date make dem clear am in short the first start is suspend any processing of passport anybody wey wan go do passport from 17th
no pay money o
to 31st of May come tell dem say no go do any new passport dem no go process any new passport for anybody
no pay money to anybody
until dem clear the ones wey dey ground the backlog of passport wey dey ground wey dem never clear
go stop
wey pass over 2 million make dem go clear those ones finish.
2 million
e pass 2 million now even one state for no be Italy that time wey dem say the backlog pass 18,000 UK
United Kingdom
for backlog for.
okay I'm adjusting
so make quick read the letter to.
just wan make you go ahead with the communique wey federal government take come out so that our people go hear.
you know say dem don give the go ahead so that make na go their office whether you dey Nigeria or you dey diaspora go your passport office go collect your passport the booklet now dem don say make dem release am make everybody go take until 1st of June when dem start to dey process new one and renew am.
Alright, before Ahmed Johnson go come outside to tell our people the update with a report from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. My name is Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union, and the anchor with the Secretary General, Comrade Ahmed Johnson. At the same time, the Secretary General Traders Welfare Union, the one of the whole universe. As we dey here right now, federal government say not pay money to anybody again. Say anybody wey be say you don apply for Nigeria international passport since 2019, make dem go dey collect their passport. Say now, if you don't pay money, now you know.
na bubu yeye.
So you wey wan do new passport, make you wait first so that make dem clear the ones wey dey. The one wey dey ground. So I think we are progressing.
Yes,
we are trying for Nigeria all over the world.
Yes,
see, if nobody dey praise me and my team, we dey praise ourselves.
we dey try.
Are you hearing me? If nobody dey praise me and my team, we dey praise ourselves. I tell una last time, I no dey any political party. I no be PDP, I no be APC. I no be APGA, I no be Labour. The way the matter be, we go just talk am. I want to advise the government. If we give them advice, they don't want here. We'll come carry our placard and our banner. We'll go straight. What do they call national embarrassment? We will come go to one that time because in Nigeria, all of us get that all done and done. What do you say? I will make you tell them.
So then on the 17th of May, wey just pass o 17th of this May wey just pass o.
Yes.
Na Nigerian Immigration Service headquarters office of the Deputy Controller General come issue this press statement. The headline of that statement was seed distribution. One, wetin dem want make above subject matter refers. Please, e say one, I'm directed to convey to you the directive of the Honourable Minister of Interior on the suspension of processing of new passport application in all passport office nationwide.
You dey hear so?
Wetin that one mean say no new passport from now till 1st of June. Who go there say you wan process passport for na money dem go just take your money chop am. So wait for June before you dey go.
Any immigration for Nigeria wey collect anybody money will go report am for headquarter.
Na so.
Go ahead.
Then secondly, dem go say by this directive which comes into effect from today 17th May 2021 has become necessary to allow enough time to clear all backlog of application sequential to the commencement of the new passport regime on 1st June 2021. Consequent upon the foregoing, all passport processing centers are therefore directed to utilize this period 17th May 2021 to 31st May 2021 to ensure that all backlog are produced and handed over to command controllers for collection by members of the public concerned. Accordingly, new applications for passport, whether fresh or renewal, are by this circular suspended the 1st of June 2021.
Yes, so
ensure wide circulation and strict compliance.
I really
and it was signed by A.B. Yariwa, Deputy Controller General for Controller General of Immigration Service.
All right, Just Deputy Controller General, the communique when you release to the Nigerian people, now we read for the soul. Our brothers and sisters, wherever you go, all over the world, get up on my say, the struggle still continue. We will continue to make sure say the government do the needful. As we talk, just if you want to go immigration office, you say you want to give one immigration money, federal government say don't pay anybody. Say the one way say people don't pay before, then one go give people from 2019. 2020 to 2021, everybody will be saying they pay for any immigration office, make them go. Alright, Deputy Controller General, Interior Minister, federal government themselves, I beg, we beg our people they stranded, most especially our brothers and sisters when they say they want travel out, go they do business or do importation, they don't see passport. All those ones they want to go school for outside Nigeria, they don't get passport. All those ones where they don't get diaspora already, their passport expire. If they apply, no booklet that they tell them. And you know say for diaspora, anybody who don't get passport, you don't get resident permit, you don't get working permit, all the documents will die. Minister Interior, I beg, make you try, make una do as una talk. My people, we go to bring update come for now for this passport matter. As we go our struggle, they go. We don't go die, Puto. You where they watch us, make you help us share our video. In case you want to reach me, make you get more information. Because time not today, we want to go inside market now. You feel coming for +234 5 +234 80 53 84 1781 +234 80 53 84 1781. In case you want to come in personally, you want get personal update, this number make you collect am +234 90 21 41 50 41. That number where you see so, anyone when you come for inside, you go get complete update. As we dey talk so, we don tell our coordinator make monitor the distribution of the passport for Abuja Center. Also our coordinator for different states, they dey monitor how immigration want to relate the people wey be say their passport in their hand since 2019, 2020 and 2021. Federal government make una keep to una promise, because na people children na dey stranded so, most especially those one wey dey diaspora. The money wey be say they dey put for our economy, e pass our budget. That their money wey dey bring come, e dey help our country Nigeria. Na from there they say they get small osusu wey they send to their papa and their mama, their brothers and sisters and their friends. I beg, make una rescue Nigeria so they diaspora, make una give them their international passport. Our brothers and sisters for house, when they still need their international passport to do their business or to go school or go to one or two things or to travel out, make una give them their international passport. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orupe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union, and the report all the way from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria, and the anchor with my very brother, my good brother here, Comrade Ahmed Johnson. To get final word, you want to final word.
Minister of Interior, Ogbeni Aregbesola, abeg, this one where you talk say make dem produce this passport. give people wey dem don apply from the 17th of May till 31st of May abeg let am come to pass as you talk am make no be like the one wey I dey talk before we go do am like this we go open passport center we go do am like this we go float am for secondary and 74 local government e go cheap 3 days don come out 6 weeks don come out abeg this one wey you start so abeg let am be like that save our people from this embarrassment save them from this suffering this hardship wey dem dey go through because of no passport.
yes I'm a johnson access to we dey I wan bring am come up again say we no dey beg the minister na our right na our right be this.
For Nigeria they dey beg for right o.
You know for Nigeria they dey beg for right but now wey we say Nigerians need money to do some kind capital project they no fit use this passport take generate money.
You know, fit now.
They fit use and generate money. Now make me say we no wan beg the minister. Now our right be this. The minister should enter table again with immigration, sharply with the federal government, make them discuss how they want to produce Nigeria international passport booklet to use and raise money to use and raise revenue for the central government, the federal government to do some other work. All this time when they borrow money for China, it don't make sense. We don't borrow. We don't turn borrow country. It don't good like that. When we get what we want to generate revenue for the country. So we call it propose and all that. We don't do that. Yes, my own brother. I think so many calls when they come. In case you won't call me, make you get update. Some people they call me Osun Master. While some people they call me Comrade Lucky. But anyone you like, you call me for inside. Right now, we want to enter market. Make we go do some things wey we say we need to do. Thank you and God bless you.
Struggle continue.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Solidarity forever. We shall always fight forever.
Matter of injustice plenty for Nigeria. Find the one where you go fight. Find the one where you go fight. Make you live come lucky you go pay loan, make you do what you go. Thank you.
Thank you.